Here is a wonderful 2020 Jeep Renegade. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Renegade packs rugged versatility, edgy looks, smart safety and entertainment technology, and the heart and soul of an icon into a compact, can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. Don't be afraid to drive outside the box. Drive the Renegade.